Hi, this is Valuation Charles bringing you a tip from my valuer. We need to understand what is the valuation profession and what it is all about. And today I want us to discuss about valuation for courts. There are instances where the valuer will be called upon to do valuation for court purposes. And valuation for court purposes vary, again depending with why the valuation is required. It could be a dispute involving land. The valuer will be called to go and determine maybe the value. It could be succession matters, who gets what property is worth more than which one. Again, those are valuations that a valuer will be called upon to undertake. We also have special valuations whereby your loved one is arrested and is locked in court. And many times when the judge is making a ruling, they will say, we are either releasing this person on a surety for bond. In other words, we are giving them a bond, they're supposed to pay 5 million, or a surety for a similar amount. Do you know what that means? That if you have a property whose value is allowed that much, you can get a valuer, undertake a valuation of your property, submit the report to the court, together with your title, and your loved ones will come out. And those are instances where a valuer will need to undertake a valuation for you for court purposes. So it could be a dispute. Somebody has infringed on your land. Maybe somebody came and damaged your property. Again, you go to court and you say that you want to be compensated for how much? Again, a valuer will be called upon to go and determine what is the damage that we are talking about. I have been involved in a valuation where somebody decided to excavate somebody else's land because they were building a road somewhere. And yes, a valuer had to go and determine how much should the compensation amount be. So a valuer is called upon to undertake all these valuations if you are to be compensated, or maybe to serve the purpose for why that particular report is required. If your loved one has to be released, then a valuer has to inspect that particular property and advise the judge or the magistrate of how much we are talking about. This is Valuation Charles, registered and licensed to practice in Kenya with a tip from my valuer. Thank you so much.